Universitas Syiah Kuala is a public university located in Banda Aceh, the capital of Aceh Province. Located at the westernmost point of Sumatra Island, the province is rich with traditions, cultures, languages, and natural resources. The university is also known as the heart of the Acehnese, Jantung Hati Rakyat Aceh. It is the oldest university in Aceh, officially established on September 2nd, 1961. Universitas Syiah Kuala was named after an Islamic scholar of Aceh, Abdurrauf bin Ali Al-Jawi Asinkeli, who is also known as Tunku Syiah Kuala. He established an Islamic education center at a river mouth in Banda Aceh, which later became an official higher education institution. During this time, he gave great contribution to the education values and Islamic laws and regulations in Aceh. In addition to the main campus in Darussalam, Banda Aceh City, Universitas Syiah Kuala has also established a second campus in the district of Gaya Luiz. The campus is called Program Studi di Luar Kampus Utama, the study program outside the main campus, which was officially opened on September 2nd, 2014. Universitas Syiah Kuala has 12 faculties and a postgraduate school: the Faculty of Economics and Business, the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, the Faculty of Law, the Faculty of Engineering, the Faculty of Agriculture, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, the Faculty of Medicine, the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, the Faculty of Social and Political Science, the Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Science, the Faculty of Nursing, and the Faculty of Dentistry. All these 12 faculties together offer 135 study programs of different levels: diploma programs, undergraduate programs, professional programs, specialist programs, master's programs, and doctoral programs. With various faculties and programs being offered, Universitas Syiah Kuala now hosts more than 32,000 students from various regions in Indonesia and overseas. The university has received numerous awards for its achievements at both the national and the international levels. For example, with Malam Diwa electric car, Universitas Syiah Kuala recently won as the second fastest team to compete technical inspection in the electric class at a prestigious competition in Asia, the Shell Eco Marathon Asia competition. In the research area, the university has also developed a good reputation at the national and international levels through its excellent research and research centers, such as the Tsunami and Disaster Mitigation Research Center and the Atsiri Research Center. Universitas Syiah Kuala also publishes numerous scientific journals. Some of them have been indexed by SINTA, the Indonesian Citation Index, as Quartile 1 and 2 journals. One of the university's journals, Studies in English Language and Education Journal, has recently been indexed by Scopus, one of the most reputable journal indexing and citation databases in the scientific world. Universitas Syiah Kuala has actively participated in several collaborative programs with several countries in Asia and Europe. These include Erasmus Mobility and Capacity Building Program, IMT-GT University Network Program, and the Erasmus Plus Program. Universitas Syiah Kuala has numerous national and international collaborations with universities and companies across the globe. Through this collaboration, the university has successfully organized various academic and non-academic events which have improved the university's national and international reputations. the Joint Research and Publication Program, the Exchange Program, the Internship Program, the Disaster and Cultural Summer Camp, and the Humanitarian Program are among many others. Universitas Syiah Kuala does not only focus on improving the quality of academic activities within the campus, but also proudly offers services to the communities. These tasks are assigned to 3 units at the university: the Office of International Affairs, Career Development Center, and Entrepreneurship Center. These units help students, staff, and alumni expand their experiences in academics, business, and beyond. Therefore, Universitas Syiah Kuala has always appreciated and placed at top priorities all partnerships and collaborations, and has managed to make the university what it is today. The university continuously strives to improve the quality of its academic activities, research development, humanitarian works, and the quality and quantity of scientific publications to achieve its vision to become the leading university in Asia and to become a world-class institution.
Universitas Syiah Kuala, universitas yang inovatif, mandiri dan terkemuka, menuju Innovation Socio-Techno-Entrepreneur University.